Good morning, everyone. It's Nola. Yeah, I'm back. I made up another kit this morning, and I used my favorite fabric. So I made two little kits. Well, I'm making three, and one is for me. So I will have two for sale. So basically, this is what your kit will look like, and this bag is stuffed. So I will show you. I'll show you what's in it. Here's the base. Here's the base fabric. Love, 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 love this fabric. All right, so let's start with a dark color. I'm going to give you a piece of this, and this would make really nice flowers, and it goes beautifully, of course, with the roses that are in there. And let's go for some of the darker ones. Okay. So then I have some green that works for the leaves that are in the background. And this little piece. And the reason sometimes you get tiny ones is because that's all I have left that matches the color. It's amazing how many different reds and greens and blues there are. I mean, blue is next to impossible to match. But anyway, here's some more green to go with your flowers or your leaves. And I found this to go with the leaves. And it's a perfect color, wouldn't you know? And then I found these, and these are out of lure kits from fishing lures. That's where I got, somebody gave me a bunch of kits, and I tore them apart to use the line in kits rather than to use them for fishing. So don't tell any of your favorite fishermen. So there's those. Then I have this chenille cord to go with it as well. That's kind of fun. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doilies. And they're just like that to go in there. I have this lace, which has some pink, and it's that brownie color. So there's a yard of each of these. So there's this one. And this cotton one. This is a nice small one. I like this one. So I was going into everything. I never got as far as my fibers yet, or my jewelry, because it's tucked away, but I'll get to it. And then I'll be getting that in the packages as well. And then there's this one. And this is an antique lace that was sent from Denmark, from Karina, Shabby Chic and Beauty. Shabby Chic, no. Shabby Antique and Beauty, that's it. Dear Karina Benson. So there's that one. Then I have a little piece of this one, which is the same taupey brown color. Then I have some green ones for you to play with. And a lovely piece of this pink. So then as far as more fabrics, I have a big piece of this taupe colored lining, and it makes supposedly beautiful flowers. I have not tried it, but other people say it works gorgeous. So there's that. Then I have this piece of, I don't know what it is. It isn't silk, and it's not satin, but it's neat anyway. And I took something apart, so couldn't tell you what it is, but it's sure pretty. And then I have this one. This is also a pretty piece of fabric, and it's got the background taupe in it, or the taupe in the background. And then I have this one with some flowers. This goes and some of this goes, but you can use what you want out of it. To each their own. Then I have this one, which I also adore, but the colors are just a little bit different than these. Very close though. And this one is really old, and this one is new because I just ordered it um, from a fabric place in Canada. Oh, it's expensive up here. Wow. All right, then I have this one. And this taupey one. I like this size because you're not left with a whole bunch of stuff. I don't want a bunch left over. I just want to use up what I have, make my kit, and be done with it. So then there's this. I love this piece of sari. And I have very, very little left of it. This piece of flannel. This is a piece of lace. Now this little piece that has some green in it and the pink, so you can use that wherever you like. Some other tiny little pieces, but I like these to make leaves or whatever. It's very hard to find those greens always, so whatever I find is what you get. So then I have some of this brown, and it's got sparkle in it. It's sort of a greeny brown, taupey brown. And then this pink lace. And this is off a quilted object. And it's the pinks and peachy pinks. Really like that one as well. And then I have another little piece of just plain see-through fabric. And a piece of this gold. A piece of this lace that is being dyed, tinted, or whatever you call it. I didn't do it, but it's pretty. This piece of lace here. this gorgeous piece of lace as well. It's very substantial, so that'll be nice for something. This piece of lace and backing in the same color tones. This piece of pink and its accordion. It's really neat. I got this in a couture shop in Edmonton. That was fun. Couldn't afford much in there though. I went to the sale bin. And then there's this piece of pink. Love this. And this piece of eyelet. And it's in that pink shade as well. And then I have this rose pattern, and it's very sheer, very pretty. And then I have some of this shiny pink, and it's really gorgeous. I have another piece of sparkly pink, brownie pink. Very beautiful. And then I have a piece of this, and it was cut so the flowers are left whole on it. So this kit, what am I going to call it? Let's say kit number 10. I don't know. And that just makes it easier. And it is definitely a rose taupe colored kit. And I would like $25 for it. And I have 2. So I will be putting that up on Nanny's Attic by Nola. And thank you so much for watching. I do have some other things I'm going to be putting up. I just need to get organized. So thank you all for watching, and thanks for all your patience with me. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. And thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel as well. I would really, really like to get to 1,000 people this year. That would be so awesome. So thank you very much, and let me know. Talk to you later. Bye now.